Hey, what's up, guys? Your guy, Crypto Chuck, back here to Group Crypto Black. We're back at it again, baby. Hope you guys are having a great day. I know that I am. Guys, today, man, we are going to look at the market to see and pretty much what everyone is asking. A lot of people are asking, hey, man, is Bitcoin back? A lot of people are asking that. They're like, man, is Bitcoin back, man? Is Bitcoin back? I want to know, can I hop in right now and see if Bitcoin is back? But man, we're gonna talk about it today, guys. We're gonna talk about a crazy story as well about how a guy, man, he went to drug his father to get access to his Bitcoin. I'm also gonna go over some other stuff as well in regards to a nice little platform I like, man. I like it's a nice little platform I like, man, with crypto that it's on a Phantom blockchain. I think you guys are gonna like it as well, where you can make some money, some passive money, even during down times. So, man, let's get right into it. But before that, guys, first thing first, guys, if you're brand new cryptocurrency, make sure you check out our website, cryptoblack.net. Make sure you hit the like, share, and subscribe right now. Subscribe to the channel, guys. If you're not subscribed, also hit the like button. Like. It helps out the YouTube algorithms, and share this content with all your friends and family members. I'm gonna tell you why you need to share it just in a few minutes. And follow us on all different social media that you guys see below. We on Instagram, we on TikTok, we on Twitter. Make sure you follow us on all our different social medias. Guys, I'm telling you right now, it's going to be some good stuff over there. But first thing first, man, it says Bitcoin creeps back over 40K with buying pressure from long-term holders. So all the hodlers out there came back strong, squeezed all the shorts out of here. Now we're starting to see a nice little spring up. But guys, I'm telling you right now, man. Today is February the 4th. We already seen this happen, we seen it happening last month. And if you are inside, you want to get access to a report to tell you exactly, different moves that we're making, coins that we're liking for the month. Make sure you guys click the description below and get access to that DCG Mastermind report. You get with that, you also get access to the crypto beginners course as well, and inside our private Telegram chat. You guys get in if you have that report. But if you want the full-blown access DCG, we're inside the description below as well. Get you access directly into DCG, and you get some good information like this. So you guys see right here what we was able to do on the 10th, as you guys can see, the 10th of January, Monday, the 10th of January. I said, let's see if we follow this pattern. I found this nice little chart here. And I said, we follow this pattern. What happened in April of 2021, the market went up, came down. As you guys can see right here, we had 34 days and 28 days before it started pushing back up. So you guys can see right here, I had... I shared this right here, that whole Wyckoff distribution and accumulation chart. We have it right here. It's going to test it before it starts springing back up, February the 4th. And what's today, guys? February the 4th. So these are little things right here, guys. This is an alert. So if you are in the DCG Mastermind, you was able to get this alert and see it. I also shared it on Facebook as well. That's why it's always good to follow me on the different social medias. I'm telling you right now, because you know what I mean? I can't promise you anything, but you get some good information. That's all I'm going to say. You get some good information that you can take into consideration. Good information to take into consideration. All right. So you guys can see right here. So we posted up inside a Mastermind in the Discord, guys. So you're able to take advantage of that. So shout out to everybody that did accumulate. And then, like I was saying, I would tell people all last month, hey man, right now is the time to accumulate. It's gonna be a little bit harder to trade, but accumulation is good. We can push up. We bounced off of this trend line, this downward trend line here, guys. We bounced off of it on January 22nd, and we're coming. We started to move. As you see, we moved up. We had that support down here at 35,868. We eventually closed above it, and now, we pretty much going forward. We're going forward. We kept testing down here. Kept testing down here to around about 36,665. After that, man, it was on the way. It was on the way up here. So we're going to see. We're going to test this right here. We're going to test 40,678. We had to close above that. We closed above that, which is 7 p.m. this evening. We closed above that. Guys, I think we should have a good weekend. All right, coming aboard. But guys, let's get it going, man. Let's get it going. But we got to close above that. Then we're on our way. We get to pass 42, and then 44.1. 44.1 is the key there. And then we'll just keep going, man. But like I said, I'm not bullish until we pass 50,000. We got to be past 50,000 in order for me to get really bullish. All right? But yeah, man, this is definitely looking good. As you guys can see right here, it says markets seem to be cheering up the past day. Bitcoin prices once again above 40 grand, and all major alts are in the green. Buying pressure is coming from medium and long-term holders. All right. Now, for early birds, I want you guys to, to pretty much, I go over my core 4. I go to core 4, and I said, but I have core 5. All right. So, I'm giving away some crypto today. I'm giving away some Litecoin today. So, if you're in the chat, I want you to type in 4 out of the 5 coins, which is my favorite. Out of my core 5, I want you to type in the 4 coins out of 5. If you can type in 4 coins out of 5, I'm sending you some, type in your answer with your Litecoin address below. So type in your answer with the Litecoin address in the comments, and I will be sending you some Litecoin right here on live. All right. So type that in. So if you are, I said a lot, guys. So if you are in my, you've been subscribing and following me for some time, I say it all the time, my core 5. But all you need is 4 out of the 5, and then I'll begin. You get some Litecoin right here live today in your wallet. So just type that in. All right. So let's go. So it says Bitcoin returned above 40,000 on February 4th after a near 6% drop a couple of days before, and BTC is trading up 8.3% on the week. The market has turned bullish. However, the Bitcoin fear and greed indexes is still pointing to extreme fear. Bitcoin seller pressure seems to have diminished as the premier cryptocurrency is trading around 40,300. We all know it's more now at the time of the writing. Zooming out, BTC is still down 41.5% from its all-time high at 69, about 69,000 basically, on the 10th of November last year. Now, looking at this year, Bitcoin is down about 15% since January the 1st. Most assets are trading in the green, which you all see. To the broader cryptocurrency market, most assets are trading in the green at press time. ETH, second largest cryptocurrency market cap, was on its way to 3 grand mark, but it's trading at 29.40 at the time, up 1.8% on the day, and up almost 22% for the week, which is pretty good. According to CoinGecko, Ethereum is down 39.5%. As the crypto fear and greed index and index measures, market sentiment remains in extreme fear. Now, it said buying pressure is coming from medium long-term holders. It said speculation seems to have calmed down in the market, as the number of Bitcoin addresses holders holding the asset for less than 1 month has decreased by 32.07% since the 28th of December. Now, according to the analytics data from the Into the Block, as per the data, it seems as the buying pressure is coming from medium and long-term holders who have been accumulating at recent prices. I'm guilty. I'm sorry. I'm guilty. So, like I said, guys, I've been telling you this for months during this whole accumulation stage here. I've been telling people for months, hey man, just accumulate. All you gotta do is just accumulate during these times. You don't gotta worry about trading. You know what I mean? Just accumulate, and in time, Bitcoin is gonna go where it needs to go, and then you're gonna be very, very, very happy. Now, since speculation has faded from crypto markets, the number of BTC traders addresses holding for less than 1 month have decreased by 32%. Yep, we see that. Now, the shift in buying pressure is confirmed by data from sentiment as well. According to the on-chain analytics, Bitcoin trading volume saw a series of major spikes this past year. Almost all other price drops. Crypto bulls look for lowering trading volume when BTC falls, as it indicates minimal interest in the crowd and higher probability of a reversal. Now, also sentiment data, many so-called altcoins have quietly crept back and inched toward their pre-slide prices. Particular standouts is Mana, Tezos. Tezos got some stuff going on. I think Tezos going to have a good year this year. And I'm baking my Tezos as well. So I think they got a good ecosystem. People sleeping on that ecosystem. I think because it's not on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. I think people sleeping on the ecosystem. But they got some quiet money being made on Tezos. I think people really need to check it out. Check out that ecosystem. Quant, CCXX, and Maker. So up 32%. So it's pretty good, man. So to see a little comeback here with crypto. I'm really liking this. I think it's a good thing. Let's go. Let's check it out. Let's see if anybody won. Let's see if anybody won before we get to the next story. We got Brian Hunter. Yeah, man. Cardano, Litecoin, BTC, ETH. Man, he said Core 5 right there. So Brian, put let's see here. Put your Litecoin address in the chat, man. And I'm gonna send that over to you. I'm gonna send some Litecoin over to you right now. Right now. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, Brian got it. Sorry, Dilla, I'm sorry, you too late. You too late, honey. You too late. Brian got it. He did all 5. That's what I'm talking about. We're gonna start doing some more crypto giveaways as well. You know, I like Litecoin because it's fast. You know what I mean? You can trade on anything. And I like to get it over to you real quick. You know, Bitcoin takes too long. ETH takes too long. ETH too expensive to send as well. Yeah. So Brian, so put your thing in the chat. Your Litecoin address. And I'm gonna send that over to you right now. I got the wallets open. Right now. All right. But yeah, so let's see, man. Look at this story, man. Right here it says, Maryland man drugs father to access his $400,000 of Bitcoin. And that's crazy. This is crazy. Yeah, I mean, guys, come on, man. Just dollar cost average, you'll be fine. Some people just don't want to work. But while we waiting, before we get to this story, while we waiting, Brian, make sure you put your Litecoin in the chat, your Litecoin address. Put it in the chat. So I can send this over to you. Man, look at this. I found this project here, man, on Phantom. I like to where, and it's relatively new. So with this form right here, man, obviously you have some good gains here you can get on the APR, paying some good APRs. But this right here, this my token, this is a stable. So you guys can see with your USDC, and this, I'm telling you a key what I do, man. When the market is down, besides accumulating, you take your coins, right? Your coins you sell out of, you put them in your stables. You earn interest on those stables while the market is down. And when the market start going back in, you hop back in, whatever. But while the market is down, you just get paid to hold on to your crypto, right? So what I like to do, I like this right here. This USDC form. So you don't worry about no permanent loss here because it's paying out 73.99% APR. Because this here is a stable coin. So you guys can see right here, watch this. So I can come right over here. And this is a stable coin. So 1 USD is 99 cents. So we don't have to worry about any permanent loss either dealing with this. It's the dope thing about it. So I like this. I like this form here. This is on the Phantom blockchain. We all know Phantom has been running. Phantom been going crazy over the past month. Phantom is pretty good while the market been down as well. And it's just something something to look at, guys. I like this. I like this program. This protocol right here, which is this is on Phantom. It's ProtoFi, right here on Phantom blockchain. And you can sit back, chill, and collect. It's better than just sitting in the bank. Sit here and collect. 73.99% APR. While you're while you're going to sit in the stables, or you got some bread, you got some money. Like, hey, you know what? I ain't doing nothing. I'm gonna let it just sit there and chill. You know what I mean? So Brian, where you at, man? Where your address? What's your address? You got put your address in the chat. Your Litecoin address. You know what I'm saying? So I can send this over to you. All right, so let's get to the story right here. So it says a Maryland man drugs father to access his $400,000 in Bitcoin. Now it says Liam Gassani, a Maryland man in his 20s, spiked his father's tea with drugs in order to access his Bitcoin holdings worth 400 grand. Damn, Liam, we gonna leave it to you anyway, man. You gonna leave it to you anyway. What you doing, man? So it says a Maryland resident spiked his father's tea with drugs in order to access his cryptocurrency account, which held 400 grand worth of Bitcoin. It says the Washington Post, Liam Bastida, Maryland, slipped benzodiazepine, a type of depressant, into his father's tea with the explicit intent to knock him unconscious. Wow. After his father passed out, Gershony used his father's phone to move 400 grand of Bitcoin to an account he could control. He later converted approximately 60% of these funds to Ethereum. It didn't have to be like this. I'm going to give you the best retirement, Gershony wrote in a note he left behind for his father. His father, however, did not immediately wake up. After 2 days, a friend called the police, who later found him unresponsive in his bedroom. He took 4 days to recover from dehydration and acute organ dysfunction. What a dumbass. I did a lot of crazy and messed up stuff when I was using. I will carry that with me, the guilt and the shame, and I want to take that on. As I throw myself into recovery, Gershony reportedly said in an interview. Blame on the drugs, I see, huh? So it said 400,000 in Bitcoin at stake. Now, so Gershony's father, whose name has not been published, recalled being told by his son that he was too emotional and too attached to his crypto holdings. He also said that his son's use of drugs, which included benzodiazepines and cocaine, led to him blacking out on a daily basis. And we all know Rick James said cocaine is a hell of a drug. Especially, to do this to your father. He's going to leave it to you anyway. And when he leave it to you, it's going to be way more than 400 grand. He said, I thought I was going to lose him, he told the Washington Post. He also recalled his son telling him he needed to sell his crypto. Now, Gershony became concerned about his father not responding to phone calls in the days after he was drugged, and let his father's ex-girlfriend know of his worries. She, in turn, phoned the police. The prosecutors in the case reportedly found no evidence Gershony was trying to kill his father. However, there's an intent to inflict serious bodily injury by the drugging, by the causing him to be unconscious. But for the grace of God, Mr. Gershony is still with us, said Assistant State Attorney Donna Fenton in court. Now it says, where is Gershony now? Gershony now lives in a group house with other individuals recovering from addiction. Are you kidding me? He lives in a group house. He should be living in a big house. He should be in jail. He should be locked up right now for drugging his father. I mean, what is this? What is this? His father believes he is turning a corner. If someone wants to meet him and they're from the past, he tells them they have to meet him at a meeting, he reportedly said. Gershoni's mother, a public health professional, also reportedly sees a difference in her son. I hear him being serious about treatment in a way that he's never been. He's back to being a kinder version of himself, she said. Yeah, because he's just trying to get out of there. I definitely have said I'm sorry to my dad, but I feel like I can only say so much. I need to show him and myself through actions how much I changed, Gershoni added. Yeah, actions always speak louder than words. But that right there is just crazy, man. That's crazy. I mean, that's your son, so you can't, you gotta love your kids. But man, that right there is a story. Right there is crazy. And Ethereum dropped harder than Bitcoin, so he actually did it harder. He did it, depending on when he did this, it's something. But that right there is crazy, man. That right there is crazy. That's right there crazy, man. 400 grand. Gave his dad some drugs to knock his dad out, then to turn around to then sell his crypto and transfer over 60% of it to ETH. Depending on it was a good deal depending on when he did it. But if he did it in the last few months, it was a bad deal. And and then turn around and then now his father. You don't know any you got organ failure and stuff like that. So you know the long-term effects of this. So this is pretty crazy, man. This is pretty crazy. Let's see, man. Where you at, man? Where you at, Brian? Did you put your Litecoin address in here yet? Brian, I can't see the Litecoin without your address, man. Let's open up for questions, man. Let's have a Q&A. What you guys want to know? You guys have any questions? But for the people that missed it, man, in the Discord, man, DCG Discord, we said it, man. I alerted on the 10th of January, with the whole white call distribution and white call accumulation stage. We're looking for February the 4th for to be that test for BTC, and then we start pushing back up again. If we just follow what we did last year in July, April through July of last year, we had that 34 days, and then turn around that accumulation stage of 28 days on the end. Then we test it and it come right back up. So today is February 4th, guys, and we should probably, good chance of seeing it come back up, pushing back up right now. But man, it's take some profits today. I just took some profits. Take some profits today, guys. It's Friday, so make sure you take some profits. All right, and and we'll do what you gotta do. I'm gonna go grab some stuff. I'm gonna go to Macy's. We're going to Red Lobster tonight. We're gonna eat some Red Lobster tonight. We're gonna have a good time. Tonight. But yeah, man, I'm gonna need your address. But yeah, with some questions, man. Time for some Q&A. Guys, put your questions in the chat right now. You know what I'm saying? And we're going to get this going, man. We're just going. It's a Friday, man. I'm feeling good. Money coming in the market. We expected this. You know what I'm saying? But, it's definitely something, that we want to make sure you want to take advantage of and take profits. Because, man, when Bitcoin was 30, when Bitcoin dropped down to 32.8, people was like, man, I wish I would have took some profits at 40,000. So we got some good volume coming in as well. So, and I would say if you're not going to sell today, you're not going to sell some, take some profits right now or whatever, just have some stops in, secure the bag, guys, have some stops in, you know what I mean? On your crypto. Hey, Brian, man, where you at? You still in the chat or what? If not, Odilla gonna get it because she got 4 of them. So, what you doing? What you doing, Brian? You don't got a Litecoin address? Yeah, guys, post your questions in the chat. Post your questions in the chat, guys. Make sure you hit that like button, guys. That like button is huge. Here with YouTube. They like that like button, man. You push that like button, guys, and get some, we definitely will be able to get some more content going up here. And, I'll give you guys the best, man. I'll give you guys the best content. I'll give you guys the best information. I'm not a biased person. I mean, I have my core 5 coins. well, I'm not a biased person, so I don't shield projects. I just look inside things that's pretty good. I think it's good for good for the audience and things. I try to find the best things. And like I said, I like this right here because of the stable coin. Now it's 74. Remember 73.99. Now it's 74.04. And you see no lockup. So I like this. I like this pretty dope. I like this is pretty dope. And then we'll keep it. We're gonna keep it going. We'll keep it going. Yeah. So no Q&A. No questions. No questions. With the market today, everybody happy, everybody good, everybody like, listen, I don't got no questions. I'm good. You know what I'm saying? The market going up, I don't have no questions. But yeah, Brian, man, if you can't, what you call it? You can't, Odilla, put your Litecoin address in the chat. Cause Brian, I don't know what's going on, Brian. Maybe he get another question. Darren only got Litecoin. Darren, you gotta listen more, man. Cause I'm like I said, I'm gonna give some more crypto away, on the lives because I want people to be able to take advantage of it. You know what I mean? So Odilla, if Brian don't have his Litecoin address, Odilla, post your I hope I'm saying that right. Odilia. Odilia. Put your Litecoin address in there. Montreal, what's going on? Montreal in the house. Montreal. How's it out there, man, in Montreal right now? Is it pretty cold? Pretty cold out there? But yeah, Odilia, put your address in the chat. I want to get his Litecoin. I want to get his Litecoin away. Y'all not let me give it away. Oh yeah. I mean, Litecoin. The thing with Litecoin is, I like, and a lot of people, oh man, cause when I got into crypto, it was Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. It was like they were the big ones, right? And then with Litecoin, I like moving Litecoin around a lot. Like with Litecoin, you can move it around, and it's pretty much on all the exchanges. So if I want to get inside a specific coin, I like sitting on a nice little bag of Litecoin because I can move it around a lot without having high costs. You know what I mean? Like you try to move Ethereum around, it's gonna cost you. Certain exchange, you try to move Bitcoin, you'll pay at least $20, $30. You know what I mean? Depending on how congested the blockchain is, you can go upwards. You know what I mean? To $30, $40. Moving Bitcoin even more. So with Litecoin, it's a matter. It's pennies. You know what I mean, to move it. So that's what I like about Litecoin because I can just move it around and then I can just trade it back into wherever I want. You know what I mean? It's nothing. So instead of me paying, like Ethereum, paying $40, $50 or $100 to move Ethereum, $200 to move Ethereum, I can move Litecoin just like that and then buy back into more Ethereum. You know what I mean? So that's why I like Litecoin. That's why I always held it. And plus, a lot of time with Litecoin, when Bitcoin moves, Litecoin show off. Litecoin, so if Bitcoin moves up, you see on a lot of occasions, Bitcoin might move like 5-6%, Litecoin will move 10%. You know what I mean? Or it move like 7-8%. So just like, I like that because I'm able to trade into that as well, and then get that money, and then turn around and trade it right back into Bitcoin, get more Bitcoin. Because Bitcoin moves at 5%, Litecoin moves at 7% or 8%. I made a trade. I'm able to get that 7% and then trade it right back into Bitcoin, and I'm still making and I'm still getting that difference. Gas fees. I remember, man, we used to send. And I'm probably sounding older, so remember, man, back in the day. But I remember, man, when we used to send Ethereum because Bitcoin fees too high to send around, and it's crazy. You know what I mean? And then because Ethereum didn't have all that, all this, the DeFi and the NFTs, and all that, it was pure speculation back then. When I first got into it, so you didn't have the blockchain wasn't too congested, nothing like that. Now with the NFTs and with DeFi, the blockchain is you know what I mean? And CryptoKitties actually almost shut Ethereum down. That was pretty much one of the first NFTs, and everybody went crazy. Everybody was trying to buy it, so it literally just it almost shut Ethereum down. It almost broke Ethereum. Like, you know what I mean? Ethereum was almost like pretty much on the end. So with Crypto Kitties, so you know that right there, cause everybody went crazy over the Crypto Kitties. But that's something right there, man. But yeah, with ETH gas fees, it'll get you. It'll get you. But I remember like we used to send Ethereum everywhere. It used to cost you like maybe $1, 50 cents to send Ethereum. You know what I mean? But now with DeFi and with NFTs, you know, you can just go on Etherscan and see, like, you know what I mean, with the NFTs, and you'll see that that's taking up most of the blockchain is NFTs on Ethereum, and then with DeFi, more people getting into DeFi, it can be even crazy. No, let me see. Yeah, I don't see your address. I don't see it in the chat. Let me see here. If your address not showing up in the chat, then I want you to email me, okay, Brian? I'm gonna send info because they probably block it. YouTube probably blocking it. Certain comments. All right. So email me the Litecoin. Email me your Litecoin address, and then I'm gonna send it over to you. All right. And then I'm get it going for you. I got it sitting right here, man. Waiting. It's waiting for you, man. It's calling your name. So I'm gonna check. I'm gonna send me that email. Send me an email with your Litecoin address. Probably YouTube is probably blocking it. I'm not sure. I know they blocked some comments. I don't see it at all. Let me see. Then I will open my email right now. As soon as I get it, I'm gonna send it over to you, buddy. But yeah, you guys have any questions? Any questions, man? Let's get it going. If not, we're gonna end it. So I get this email from Brian. We're gonna end this chat, and I'm gonna start my Friday. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I think we'll definitely have a good Friday. But make sure, man, don't get greedy, guys. Don't get greedy. Like I said, remember when Bitcoin was at 32 and some change, all the way down here, 32.8. People was wishing like, man, I wish I would have sold it. Wish I would have sold Bitcoin, man, when it was at 40,000. I wish I took some profits then. You know what I mean? So make sure you guys take those profits. Yeah, everybody getting money, so I guess nobody like, listen, I ain't got no comments. But also, guys, make sure you're utilizing, the DeFi. Make sure you're utilizing centralized finance as well, CeFi like Celsius and BlockFi, because it's another one called Vault, I believe, VAULD. Make sure you utilize these platforms even in down markets, because you're able to get paid, man. You able to get paid. So we want to make sure you're doing that. All right, cool. Let's see if I get this here, and then we will end it off. Man. So yeah, Brian, man. Brian got it all like that too. He named 5 of them. So Brian's definitely the man. You know what I mean? And we're gonna keep giving out more crypto as well. So guys, don't get discouraged, because we're gonna keep giving it out. So it doesn't matter. It ain't come through yet. But yeah, Brian, so soon it come through, my man, I'm gonna send it all to you. and we're gonna get it going, man. We definitely gonna get it going. But yeah, you guys enjoy your Friday. I'm gonna see you guys Monday. We drop another video Monday, and try to get Brian over his money, his shmoney, his Litecoin, and we'll get it going. But I'll see you guys next video. Make sure you guys stack your sats and chill. It's your guy Crypto Chuck here to Crypto Black. We out of here, baby. Peace.